In this video, you'll learn how to write a Dockerfile using Claude Code for a Node.js application. By following this guide, you will create a basic Node.js app, generate a Dockerfile, and run your application inside a Docker container. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. In the command line interface, type camtd my node docker app and press enter. This command creates a new directory named my node docker app, where your project files will be stored. Next, navigate into this directory by typing cd my node docker app and hitting enter. Now that you are inside your project folder, you need to create a node.js application. Initialize a new node.js project by typing init-y and pressing enter. This command generates a package.json file with default settings. After that, install the Express framework by entering enter Express and pressing. This command will allow you to build web applications easily. Next, you need to create a file named server.js. Type notepadserver.js quote and press enter to open Notepad. In the Notepad window, paste the following code: const express equals require express const or port equals process.m, port vertical bar 3000, app.get got res xn dot hello Dockerfile app list and port console.log server running on port $port. This code sets up a simple Express server that responds with hello Dockerfile when accessed. After pasting the code, save the file and close Notepad. Now it is time to ask Claude Code to generate your Dockerfile. Open Claude and paste the instruction: create a Dockerfile for my node.js app. Requirements: use node 18 official image, set working directory, copy package.json and install dependencies, copy all app files, expose port 3000 and use npm start to run app, return only Dockerfile content. After pasting this instruction, press enter. Claude will generate the Dockerfile content for you. Once you have the Dockerfile content, create a new file named Dockerfile by typing notepad Dockerfile in PowerShell and pressing enter. In the Notepad window, paste the Dockerfile content provided by Claude. For example, the Dockerfile should look like this: hashtag use official node.js image from node 18 /usr/src /app copy package files, cepi package, JSM, WS, hashtag expose port, expose 3000 and TM start. After pasting the content, save the file and close Notepad. With your Dockerfile created, it is time to build the Docker image. In PowerShell, type docker build -t my node app and press enter. This command builds the Docker image with the name my node app using the current directory's Dockerfile. Wait for the build process to complete, as this may take a moment depending on your system's performance and internet connection for downloading any required images. After the image is built, you can run the Docker container. Type docker run -p 3000 my node app in PowerShell and press enter. This command starts a new container from the image you just created, mapping port 3000 of container to port 3000 on your local machine. Finally, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You should see the message hello Dockerfile displayed on your screen. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.